Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change payment method on Etsy. So basically you can do that during your checkout page. Okay, so let's open Etsy application on our device, and actually I have already added my item to my cart that I want to order, and basically I need to go to my checkout page. Then I need to confirm my shipping address. I press ship here button, and finally here you can see all the payment methods that are available. Those include Apple Pay, my card, my PayPal, my bank account, and also I can use my gift card. And also you can use your Klarna if your order value is over $50. Okay, so I will go with Apple Pay, for example, and then I want to press review your order button. And here I need to double check all my shipping and payment details right here. And when everything looks right and you are ready to order, you need to click this button and finally press checkout with Apple Pay button. And then of course I will need to double press my power button right here on my iPhone and finally pay for my order. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.